Music to my ears. What's better than a classic RD350 two-stroke breathing through these DG pipes? Just an absolutely stunning piece. Here's a test ride that for me has never ended. In 1980, I had a Triumph Daytona 500 and I traded it even for an orange RD350, the predecessor or successor to this one year later, but essentially the same bike. And I was sold. It was way faster, it handled way better, not even close, and it was way more reliable than the Triumph ever was. And this is an absolutely stunning piece. It has been completely tuned to perfection here at Kaplan Cycles, and everything's been completely sorted on it. The paint job's beautiful on it. All of the suspension's got a brand new set of progressive shocks on it. This is, believe it or not, the third set of brand new tires that we've had on this bike in my possession, and I've only ridden it maybe 30, 40 miles. The reason why is the set it came in on was oversized, a little bit too big, and it was just about rubbing on the tire right here. And tires expand with heat when you go really fast, and I felt it was a safety issue. So we put another set of tires on it. Actually, Jimmy Laurinaitis put them on there, and they were too small, and they looked funny. They looked like they were period correct tires, but they looked funny on this bike. Actually, Jimmy ordered it and he put one that was a 3.0 on the rear. It's supposed to be a 3.5. And I was like, those aren't right. So we ended up putting this third set on. These are Bridgestone. They're very expensive, top of the line Bridgestone performance tires, and these are absolutely perfect. It handles like a dream. With the progressive shocks, the forks have been rebuilt, new seals, they've been repainted. You can see the brakes are totally sorted. The braided stainless irons. Well, let's talk about the real magic here. The two-stroke power plant, the sound, the performance, the lightweight, twin cylinder, 2 Mikuni carbs. It's got brand new K&N air filters on there. The carbs have been rebuilt with new jets. It's been jetted for the exhaust system, new reeds. It has new piston and rings, new base gasket, new head gasket, new DG exhaust. The clutch has been rebuilt, and it's absolutely ready to go for another 40 years. Guys, actually 50 years. This bike's 50 years old this year. And most of them got destroyed by young bucks like me or rode them into the ground. To find one like this is just unheard of. Look at the rims on it. Lightweight aluminum rims. The spokes are new on it. The rims are new on it. The tires are new on it. The brake system's completely rebuilt. You can see it's got a braided stainless brake line on it. New brake pads. The front master cylinder was replaced with a reproduction one. The master cylinder was rebuilt, and the caliper was replaced with a reproduction caliper. The paint job's on point. It's an original color for that year. The frame's been repainted. The engine's been repainted. The tank's been repainted. It's been totally gone through top to bottom. If you look closely, you see it's got a brand new chain of sprocket on it too. The original chrome fenders are in outstanding condition. The chrome belt chain guard's in excellent condition. The shifter, it looks like it just came out of the box. No evidence of these pegs being ground. The pegs look brand new, as does the kickstand, passenger pegs. The fuel lines are brand new. The fuel filters are brand new. The petcock's been rebuilt. The inside of the tank has been serviced and cleaned. It needs nothing. It has a new battery. It's a stunning piece. You'd be hard pressed to find a finer 50-year-old classic, and certainly find one that sounds better than this. They just don't exist. It's a sound that unmistakable twin-cylinder two-stroke, mechanically and no excuses bike. This thing also includes a clear Massachusetts title and all the recent service notes. Absolutely an investment quality machine. They're unobtainium in this condition. They just don't come up for sale completely sorted out like this, ready to go, because most people want to keep them. I wish I could, but it's not in the cards, so it's going up for sale. As far as comparable sales numbers, at Mecum in Las Vegas, one sold the same year for $11,000, and then at Bring a Trailer in October of 2023, just 2 months ago, another one sold for $10,000. So just an absolutely stunning mint original RD350. The 352 stroke twin RD stands for race derived. It's a direct descendant of Yamaha's World Championship winning road racing models. Factory race versions were known as the Giant Killers after winning the Daytona 200-mile international race in 72 and 73 against factory 750s. There's proof the two strokes are definitely much faster than a four-stroke of comparable CCs, and in fact beat the factory 750s. We're not talking about stock bikes, we're talking about modified factory bikes, the RD351, the Daytona 72 and 73, and they actually came out with a bike in 79 called the Daytona Special, which was a honorary a special edition they made for 1 year. I've had several of those. These are unmatched in handling and performance for the size of the bike, and out of the box, they're ultra reliable and a race winner at the club level and or at the national level. Well-rounded design, easy to ride, very versatile, great for trekking around town like I did with mine when I was 15 years old. They're lightweight, air-cooled, reed valve induction, 6-speed two-stroke. It weighs 315 pounds and it'll do the ton. It'll do over 100 miles per hour. And I don't know, my childhood memories riding one of these, I had a freaking blast on it. They were, I don't think I ever got beat in a back road race. They were just unmatched in handling and performance. And I was a dirt biker when I was a kid, so I could ride a bike and ride 5-gear wheelies on this thing all the way up the street. So absolutely a wheelie machine. The bike speaks for itself. That's about all I have to say about it. If you have any questions, give us a call, 860-454-7024. So call us if you have any questions. We can ship anywhere in the country for you. We also offer financing here, and we take trade-ins. So good luck bidding on it. Bid high and bid off, and you're not going to find another one like this coming up soon. And God bless America. I'm back in the museum, but she's ready to go to the banks of Daytona for the Armor race this spring. She's ready to go. It needs nothing. Doesn't get any better than this. It's as tight as a tiger.
God bless America, y'all know the deal.